Hey, welcome back to Affiliated. We'll jump right into it with the top offers of December of 2020. I've got my colleague Michael here. I'm Thomas, and let's get rocking and rolling. Michael, you want to kick us off?
Yeah, let's get right to it, shall we? So we got SteelBite coming out. Yeah. Does that come through? I don't know. I heard yours. Fancy pearls. So this one has an EPC of generally of 89 cents, but once you bring that out to platinums, that rises above $1. You have an average commission value of $64.50. They are just screaming up the leaderboard in what is usually a tough month, and they are getting really, really good value. So this offer, it is a dental offer. It is a supplement to keep your teeth healthy. Yeah. So it's great. They say it works on any traffic. We are seeing that it is, and I'm hearing that from affiliates that it is working good on social, so working good on display. To be able to promote it, you just got to contact them, and we'll have more information on that. But it's looking like a really good offer, and it's one that has been up on the leaderboard before. Mm-hmm. Kind of got overtaken by some other ones, but it's seeing a rise up
the
here.
Team behind this one too, they've got a number of top offers under their belt recently and just historically too, so they know what they're doing. And I'd assume demographics skews older.
Yes, demographics skew a bit older or cavity laden.
Yeah. That's fair. Yeah. Next two we will bundle. These were actually featured last month, but they've actually been performing even better than last month. These are the Lost Book of Remedies and the Lost Ways, both from the Ask a Prepper team. Highlighting them again, right? We already highlighted them last month, so if you watched that, we don't have to cover them too much, but they're both essentially survival offers, different wrappings around them, right? So Lost Book of Remedies is more of a health angle, really talking about, how to benefit your health and how to kind of overcome different ailments with natural remedies you could find in nature. The Lost Ways is kind of taking more of a general survival approach, right, versus the health approach. Both doing great things, EPCs, both over $1 for general, and then EPC for platinums for remedies is like $3.30, which is crazy high, especially with the scale. I've seen them doing this last month. And then Lost Ways is coming in $1.30 for general, and then $1.56 for platinum. Really solid stuff, just all the way around. Average payouts are in the $40 ranges, which is what I would expect. Lost Book of Remedies is a little lower, but those EPCs you can see are much higher. So the conversion rate's probably a bit higher for Lost Book of Remedies right now for the people promoting it.
Exactly, and you talked about how it is a bridge offer. It is a bridge offer for those survivalists, and
you mean like the remedies can cover the health angle or survival angle.
So if you are looking to build into that for survival, or you're looking to build out of survival, these are really good ones to start finding who's hitting in those lists. The other awesome thing is we mentioned them last month, and usually when you see traffic, you are going to see that EPC drop, which is the amount of people coming into it. These ones went up.
Yeah, I love that.
And so that is huge.
Well, it shows that it's on their power curve, right, if you want to call it that. They're still scaling up, so there's still a good time to jump on it and get ready for it. So,
Perfect. Another one that was on the list last month and is still up there and is holding strong, that's FP Tonic. We are seeing an EPC of $1.32, and then we're also seeing a platinum EPC that is holding strong around there as well.
That sounds really similar, right? It's like $1.32 and then a platinum EPC right around the same range. So it's not too much variance. So it's pretty much converting across the board, or just a lot of platinums are promoting it.
A lot of platinums are promoting it, and they are a lot of scale to that. So that's something that is really good to see. With that amount of scale, you're not seeing them start to hit past the nadir point and get less efficiency on it. Like that, I threw out the nadir. like I just had to get that in there. But it also has a really high average commission value. It is $77.95, and it's just continuing to go up there. So it's really good weight loss offer.
Yep, flat belly tonic. So it kind of tells you what it is right in the name.
And they have a really good offer coming down the pipeline too that you will want to talk to them about. So if you are already promoting their offer, reach out to them and talk to them about what they have exciting coming down the pipeline.
Yeah, this next one is exciting. It's been around for a while, and it's kind of our last top offer, if you will, before we go to some sleepers you want to keep an eye on. But this is Yoga Burn, right, which is a DVD funnel. But they're typically not too open to affiliate promotions. They do a lot of their own traffic. And so it's exciting to see them here opening up to more affiliates. I do want to caution here that you want to be very mindful of how you promote them, right? It's a great offer to promote, very branded, very proven. EPCs right around $1.10 for both general and platinum. Average commission level is right under $40, right around $39. So great payouts for, it's like a DVD, again, like kind of workout exercise funnel. So getting this keyed up for January is going to be good for you. And I would just caution that, look at their affiliate tools pages, make sure you abide by their terms and conditions. They're very mindful of their brand. So it's not something you just want to go slap into your normal campaigns. You want to just make sure that you're operating with some prudence so you don't step on any toes here. But if you can operate with that, great offer to promote, and that's Yoga Burn. And again, it'll be on our page highlighting these offers below.
Exactly. If you go to their page, you'll see that it has the terms and conditions set, and you're not going to be able to promote them unless you agree to those and abide by them. Yeah. And they are strict on that.
Yeah, and they should be, right? It's it's a very good brand they've got going here. So yeah, they're just careful with it.
Very good, and very that's somebody you want to work with. Someone who's really, really good about that. So let's get into some sleepers, shall we? You cannot talk about sleep unless you're talking about your prostate. That's a terrible segue, but
I don't know if that's true. I guess it is.
I feel it in my heart that is kind of true.
Yeah, if you're waking up a lot to pee.
Yeah, I mean, you have to right before you go to bed. At least that's what I tell my daughter, so she doesn't pee the bed. So the process, with the process stream, it has an EPC of $1.58. The reason it's on the sleeper list is it has a wide variance from the EPC on general. General, it's about half that, at about 84 cents earnings per click,
which is still not bad.
It's still not bad.
It's just shy of $1. Yeah, it's
and I'm liking what I'm seeing the platinums get out of it. They have an average commission value of $104.
Yeah, that's solid. That's right in that power band, I'd call it, of good commissions that these supplements kind of need to hit.
Yeah. So and it is a supplement offer. It is for good prostate health. It takes the angle of you are the first one seeing this, and you're getting in on the ground floor of this awesome product. It is. I would say it is quite new, right? I just saw it popping up on our internal leaderboard over the last couple of weeks, which means I don't think it'll be in this sleepers category much longer if it's getting these kind of numbers, and it's just in the initial kind of I want to call it in the testing phase, right? It's kind of out of testing. It's out of testing, and
but it's in that
it's initial, in the wild now.
Yeah, initial scale phase. So I would definitely jump on this one early because your conversion will probably be higher before more people jump on it.
Right.
Yeah. Do you want to cover the next one too?
Yeah. Let's get into you can't speak about prostates without... No, that's a terrible segue. Let's just get right into it. Unlocker. So Unlocker is a romance offer. It is to help men be better in romantic situations.
Let's stick with that.
Because we want to still be on YouTube after this. So the affiliate tools page is going to have more information on your tools, promoting, and they do work really well with affiliates. Yeah. The EPC for platinums is $3.36.
That's so high.
It is, and it's been killing it. It had a fast rise in the last month.
Yeah.
And so
I saw that. I might be misspeaking about a different offer here, but I'm pretty sure I saw them testing earlier this year, right? And then they kind of went quiet, kind of revamped some things, and now they've come back really strong.
Yes.
Yeah.
The video converts really well, is what they're saying, and its average commission value is at $50.46, so that you're seeing a lot of conversions out of that.
And that's it's hard. I just want to add some context here for a digital offer versus physical, right? Because we see, the last offer had $100 average commission level. This one's got 50, and we're still saying that's good. This is a digital offer, and for that to get a $50 average commission level is a great band to be in, right? Typically, that's probably got, I'm guessing, a $27 or $37 front end, right? So with upsell flows, they're getting you up to a $50 payout. really solid level right there. That's right where we see the scale digital offers operate in, is that $50 to $60 range.
Exactly. And one of the things that we're seeing in this sleeper category is there are a lot of romance, dating, or marriage or relationship offers that are ticking up during this time going into the winter.
Oh, that makes sense.
So if you did not see Unlock Her on the leaderboard, it would have been one of the other ones that has been trending up and down as well.
Gotcha. No, I love that. Next one, I hesitate to call this a sleeper just because I know the volume they're doing.
But more people need to know about this.
This is synapsex, and it's a kind of brain hearing supplement. Kind of helps your brain cognitive functions, can help with hearing, things like that, kind of support healthy hearing and all that good stuff. You check out the link for obvious, kind of get more details on it. These stats here, I'm going to say, are underquoted because based on their volume, it has to be higher. Their average earnings per click is around $1.20, with top affiliates being in the 60-cent range, right? So platinum affiliates are only getting 60 cents a click. I'm willing to bet that's a lot of native display traffic, right? Which
yep,
is usually,
it is the type of that it's running versus and the scale that it's running.
Mm-hmm. No, I see the volume they're doing, right? And they're up there on a daily level towards the top of our internal leaderboard. And what I think they're doing too is I think they're actually helping some affiliates on a CPA, not a rev share, right? So they actually kind of pay out using ClickBank still, but they're paying out themselves. So we actually don't see some of that come through as affiliate traffic. So that can throw off our stats a bit. But the average payout for what we do see is over $100 at $110 level.
And that is why it's in the sleeper category right there. That average payout right there is monster, and it's converting really, really well.
Yeah, no, it's solid. And I work with these guys personally. They've got another offer coming out in January, which is looking really good. And they have some other offers under their belt too. So if you want to hit up their affiliate page and kind of get signed up for their list, they've got a few offers under their belt you can get running now. And then, some more coming out in 2021 that is looking really solid. So.
Yeah, and to circle all the way around, there are 2 offers that are on our sleeper list that are still on our sleeper list. It is because they got better, and the difference between the general affiliate audience and the platinum affiliate audience widened even more from the last time we talked about them. The first one is Reading Head Start. That is a reading offer for kids for being at home during these times, and we're just getting more into winter and dealing more with having to teach our kids at home.
Yeah. And
that is still taking off. It has a EPC of $3.67 versus a general of only 38 cents. The platinums are killing this offer. They are absolutely doing an insane job with it, and we saw sales rise with them. We saw the payouts rise with this. And so that is one of those things where, while Lost Ways is doing it in huge volume, and we saw their EPC do it, and they're one of our top offers, we're seeing reading for in that niche market still doing well and still increasing.
I'd say thank you to whomever is jumping on this from our last video and promoting it, because I think that's testament to the series kind of thing and getting some more traction on these. The other part here too is, what this data tells me with a $3.30 for platinum and a 30-cent average for general is that you probably have a smaller segment of people, right? It's kind of a tighter niche. It's probably a smaller segment of people promoting it.
Yep.
But what that tells me, right, if you have an audience for parents, right, or for this type of offer,
right,
get on it, right? It's going to convert really well. It might not be as wide a niche as weight loss like we've been seeing, right? But if it's targeted, this one's converting very well. And same for rocket languages, right, which we highlighted last month too. Same type of thing. What I love about this one is that I think we mainly plugged the Spanish offer
and the Japanese offer.
Japanese one. And since the video went out last month on top offers, we've seen all of their offers get more traffic, get more volume across.
Here are all their languages. They have Spanish, English, Korean, Japanese, Italian, Hindi, German, and French, which might explain why somebody asked us if we spoke Hindi at the last video. We don't. I'm not sure if I look like I am fluent. I'm not fluent in any language whatsoever.
I'm hardly fluent in
I should
English,
probably take one of these classes, one of these rocket languages.
No, what I like about this too, right? Platinums are seeing an EPC of $2.60. In general, seeing an EPC of $1.16. So both over $1 EPC, converting very well for a variety of languages. Yeah, definitely check out the page. And then, so these are the top offers, right? We're going to do things a little differently in the description below. We've actually compiled all these in a page on ClickBank. You can see that single link below. That way it's not this crazy muddy thing you have to click on a bunch of times. Check it out. We'll have it formatted nicely for you, all the information you need, and links out to the affiliate tools pages for these offers from there. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. If you've had any success with offers we've highlighted on past videos, any questions you have about them. I think we've already seen some great traction, like we were mentioning, with these rocket languages, reading Head Start. It's these sleeper ones that we're kind of offering are great ones to jump on if you got the traffic for it. Michael, thank you for joining me. Again,
thank you.
He's our Platinum Affiliate Manager over here, running with a lot of the affiliates pushing these offers. And myself, Thomas, right? I help onboard a lot of the top offers that are coming onto ClickBank in the biz dev role. And like and subscribe for more of these every month and more affiliated content every week. Cheers.